Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some objective questions from the subject satellite communication. First question is, an artificial body that is projected from the earth to orbit either earth or another body of solar system is, and the options are A. Antenna, B. Satellite, C. Dishes, and D. None of the above. The answer is B. Satellite. The next question is, it states that the path followed by the satellite around the primary will be an ellipse. Which law states this statement? Options are Kepler's first law, Kepler's second law, Newton's law, and Kepler's third law. The answer is Kepler's first law. Next question. The C-band is used for broadcasting satellite service, mobile satellite service, fixed satellite service, and navigational satellite service. The answer is C. Fixed satellite service. Next question. The band used for direct broadcasting is L-band, C-band, X-band, and KU band. The answer is KU band. The KU band is used for direct broadcasting in satellite communication. Next question. The VHF and L band are used by A. Mobile satellite service, B. Navigational satellite service, C. Meteorological satellite service, and D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. All the three satellite services use this VHF and L band. Answer is D. All of the above. Next one is Kepler's third law. How they are denoting Kepler's third law? A cube is equal to mu by n square. A cube is equal to mu square by n. A cube is equal to mu by n, and A cube is equal to mu square by n square. And the answer is option A cube is equal to mu by n square. The orbital period in second is given by option A, P is equal to 2 pi by n square, B, P is equal to 4 pi by n square, C, P is equal to 2 pi by n, and D, P is equal to 4 pi by n. The answer is option C, P is equal to 2 pi by n. Next question is, for an elliptical orbit 0 greater than E greater than 1, option B, 0 less than E less than 1, option C, 0 less than E greater than 1, and D, 0. E represents eccentricity. So, for an orbit to be elliptical, the condition must be 0 less than E less than 1. And the correct answer is option B, 0 less than E less than 1. Next question. When E is equal to 0, that is when eccentricity is 0, the orbit becomes option A, elliptical, option B, circular, option C, square, and D, none of the above. When eccentricity is equal to 0, the orbit will be in the shape of a circle. That is option B, circular. Next question. A satellite takes longer time to travel. A satellite takes longer time to travel, and the options are when it is farther away from the earth. Second option is when it is near the earth. Option C, when it is between earth and sun. And option D is none of the above. So, option A is the right answer. A satellite takes longer time to travel when it is farther away from the earth. Next question is the point farthest from the earth. The point farthest from the earth. The options are A. perigee, B. inclination, C. retrograde, option D. apogee, and the answer is option D. apogee. Next question, the point closest to the earth. The point farthest from the earth is called apogee. Then the point closest to the earth is called as option A. apogee, B. perigee, C. line of axis, D. direct orbit, and the answer is option B. perigee. Next question, the line joining the perigee and apogee through the center of the earth. Options are A. line of nodes, option B. ascending nodes, option C. descending nodes, and option D. line of upsides. The answer is line of upsides. Line of upsides means the line joining the apogee and perigee through the center of earth. Ascending node is a point where the orbit crosses the equatorial plane going from, the option is south to north, option B. north to south, option C. east to west, and option D. west to east. The answer is A. south to north. Next question, the point where the orbit crosses the equatorial plane going from north to south. The answer options are A. ascending node, B. descending node, C. line nodes, D. prograde orbit, and the answer is option B. descending nodes. See this question, ascending node means the point where orbit crosses the equatorial plane from south to north. The point where the orbit crosses the equatorial plane from north to south. South to north is ascending node, north to south is descending node. Next question is the transmitter receiver combination in the satellite is known as. The options are A. transponder, B. repeater, C. diplexer, D. combiner. The answer is option A. transponder. Transponder is the combination of transmitter and receiver. Next question, the basic function of a transponder is option A. amplification, option B. frequency translation, option C. both A and B, that is amplification and frequency translation, option D. combination. The basic function of the transponder is amplification and frequency translation. So the correct option is option C. both A and B. Next question is the downlink frequency is, the options are higher than uplink frequency, lower than uplink frequency, 0, infinite. The downlink frequency is lower than uplink frequency. So the correct option is B. lower than uplink frequency. Next question, the uplink frequency is 5 gigahertz, 8 gigahertz, 6 gigahertz, 1 gigahertz. The uplink frequency is option C. 6 gigahertz. Next question is the downlink frequency is, the options are 4 gigahertz, B. 6 gigahertz, C. 8 gigahertz, D. 10 gigahertz, and the answer is option A. 4 gigahertz. Option A. 4 gigahertz. Downlink frequency is 4 gigahertz. Uplink frequency is 6 gigahertz. Next question, the original signal transmitted from the earth station to the satellite is called as. Options are A. bandwidth, B. downlink, C. gain, D. uplink. The answer is option D. uplink. The signal transmitted from earth station to satellite is called as uplink. Next question is, the retransmitted signal from satellite to the receiving station is, the options are downlink, B uplink, C attenuation, D frequency, and the option is A downlink. So signal transmitted from earth station to satellite is called as uplink, and the signal from satellite to the receiving station is called as downlink.